Alright, so is part 3 of the apartment complex HVAC heaven. Right here. It's about 6:19 actually. So just 5 minutes after estimate. 6:19. So yeah. Here's 3 Goodmans and a Garrison. The part 3 is this whole thing, that building, and that building, and that one. So it's 4 buildings around that's wraps around the corner. So of this that wraps around. We're actually right at the corner of this complex, and then that's part 4, the front corner. This is the back corner, the back left corner. Here's this Goodman. Open scroll. Zip this up. In 2014, 2-ton, or yeah, that's a 2-ton. Hasn't been running. There's Garrison right here. And accumulators. Kind of looks like it's been running. Accumulators all sweaty. It's a Copeland scroll. Go around here. Oh my goodness, it's just running. There's the reversing valve right there. Yeah, better. 2-ton, I believe. Or wait, is that a 2-ton from 2-ton from 2001, it looks like. And yes, it's definitely been running. If one of these could scare me at any moment. So yeah, Copeland reset. 3rd Goodman. So I'm covering my ears. GSH13 from 2-ton from 2005, and it's definitely been running. Mine says it. There's the picture. There. Yeah. And then we got 3 modern 2017, I think, Goodmans. And the cricket is right next to them. Right here. Let me go around there so I don't disturb the cricket. Plus, it's easier. I wonder if I can find the little cricket in there. I can't find him. There's 3 modern Goodmans. There's a Snyder General running right there. Copeland Emerson scroll. There's the can't actually. Oh, that's way down there. That's Broad Ocean. See the logo right there? Oh, this is actually from 2019, and it's actually a GSE 14 2-ton. It's been running. See, it's kind of sweaty. Spider web. I'm gonna just cut that. Another one right here. Copeland Emerson scroll as well. Low reversing though. I think this is a Broad Ocean thing though. Yeah. 2019 GSC 14 2-ton. I'm gonna get around to the 3rd one. Ugh. Right here. Copeland Emerson scroll. Broad Ocean fan motor. In 2019 GSE 14 2-ton. There's the reversing valve. Three Goodmans, 3 2019 Goodmans, right here. And we got 2 Goodmans, a Snyder, and a Snyder General, right here. The Snyder General is the one running. It looks like it's been running a while ago. Open Emerson scroll. It smells like pool water for whatever reason. It smells like chlorine. Jeez. 2014 GSH 13 2-ton. Most of these are 2 tons, as you probably know. And here's the Snyder General. I think that has a 2 Thompson. This thing is from 2000, as you can see, and it is a 1.5 ton, yeah. Oh, and I actually walked over to the right place. There's a unit on over here. This thing turned on. Yeah, I had a feeling this thing was going to turn on. Actually, 2005 2-ton. There. It's around the corner. There it is. Alright, that's part 1 right there. Garrison could also turn on, maybe, potentially. Sorry, I just had to. Oh, and the Snyder General actually turned off as I was gone. So, it's interesting. It looks like this thing is from 2000 and it's 1.5 ton. Here's a Goodman. Goodman recip. Why does it smell like pool water? That's really interesting. 2001 2-ton CP. CPLE, yeah. Alright, so yeah. These 3. The Snyder General just turned off. Some little kid there. Do I really feel the most comfortable coming up to these ones? I'm not sure. But actually, I can't even really get to these. And plus, there's like an open blinds right there so people could see me out of my window. Or out of their window. And those are also open window. Was there anyone in there? I think I'll just film here. Or I'll film around here. Just this one. Anybody's powerful on this one. G motor, 2 Thompson. Snyder General. This thing is from. This thing from 2006 and it was 1.5 ton. I'm gonna have to make this quick. I just don't trust these open windows. I just get myself to screenshot this in PowerPoint when I'm editing my thumbnails. That's actually why I said I just take a screenshot. That's why I actually say that. Here are these Goodmans. Got some of those there. Here are 3 Goodmans right here. Right here. Let's cope and scroll. 2018 1.5 ton GSU 14. Yeah. 2018 2.5 ton GSU 14 as well. And 2018 2.5 ton, or 1.5 ton, sorry. This is a 1.5 ton? Yeah, this is 1.5 ton. That's interesting. 1.5 ton, 1.5 ton, 1.5 ton. These are all from 2018. They're all GSU 14s. Copeland Emerson scroll, Copeland Emerson scroll, and Copeland Emerson scroll. Reversing valve, reversing valve, reversing valve. Yes, I'm doing this really weirdly, but it's just how it planned out to be. Anyways, here is all three of these Goodmans. Oh, there's a guy over there. I'd rather be smart about this. So he isn't. He's probably just gone somewhere. That dude over there. Yeah, he's just getting in his car. Film. Here. Here's this one running. This Goodman without a logo. Yeah, this does not have a logo. Copeland scroll. See, it says Copeland scroll. And so how does a Copeland scroll? Look at all these plants on me. 2013. Oh wait, no, that's from 2002, and that's a. Oh wait, no, that is from 2013. Huh? And that's a 2-ton GSH 13 Snyder General. That's a 2000, I guess 1.5 ton. And another Goodman, I'm not enough on that. I just film the ones that are running. Can't see from here. I'm just literally gonna have to get it from here. These bushes are too tall. There. And then this Snyder General right here. Right here. Thompson. Recip. 2006, 1.5 ton. Cold and sweaty. This one is here. Here's Garrison. 2001 2-ton. Right here. Oh, gosh. I wonder what happened here. Jeez. This thing like rattles a lot. There's a good one. Through these right here. Oh, there's someone over there. Oh, it knows. Jeez, bird was like right there. Same one's running. Oh, what is that low droning sound? Never mind, I thought they were there, but no, they're not. People. And the time that takes, look at the Goodman. We got some Goodman. He's here, surprisingly. Oh, that's an open room right there, open window. These Goodmans here, oh, these are 4 blades. These are surprisingly not on heat pump risers like I was expecting. Interesting. Copeland scroll. Emerson.
What's been good with you?
In 2017. 2-ton. 2017 2-ton. 2017 2-ton. These are all GSC 14s. There we go. He's staying there. We got a few right here.
You done?
Some of these. Yeah. Some there that are running, but I can't get too close. I got a few here that are running. This one's running. But these two are running. Open Emerson scroll. Sound nice. 2009. Oh, that's how loose. 2019 2-ton GSE 14. 2019 2-ton GSE 14. Quickly getting these ones. And then some here. Let's check over here. Here's some units here. Oh, I came over here right in time. Nice. Just starting to get cold. 2018 2-ton GSE 14. 2018 2-ton GSE 14. This one's also running. 2018 2-ton. Yeah. And these ones, these are 4 blades. So I want to get these. Scroll. 2017 2-ton GSE 14. Here. There, with my shadow in it. I'm gonna get these too. That looks kind of weird from this angle. And we got run, I think. That's like running without the compressor. That's not good. Anyways, here we are in the back. This guy just came out of his house and was like being a creep, so had to go. Alright, here's this Goodman running. Very cold and sweaty. Okay, 2005 2-ton. Some comfort ranges right here. A couple of them. It's been running. 2005 2-ton. Here are these ones right here. I'm getting bites. Got some more over here. 3 over here. There's a lot more shade back here. This little Goodman's not running, but these two ones are running. The Snyder General's running. This round Snyder General's running. This thing is extremely rusty. I don't even know what that fan motor is, but I'm not even gonna bother with it. I'm not even gonna move that. I'm worried it might go in the blades. 2001 2-ton. It's very cold, sweaty. This thing rattles a little bit. Open scroll. Rattles from the fan motor. So yeah, there's 3. And we got 3 more right here. We got a looks to be a 2.5-ton comfort range. It's one of the rarer, bigger ones. 2004 2.5 ton. Yep, I was right. Snyder General. Over here, I think that's a Tecumseh. No, that's a Bristol, actually. Not sure when these are from. These data sheets are always one off. It's reversing valve. Goodman with a crooked logo. I'll fix that. It's really cool because there's a little pathway up there. This Goodman logo's just gonna have to remain crooked there. Copeland recip. 2008, 2-ton, GSH13. Oh, this is like really badly crooked. Oh, and it just fell off. There we go, fixed it. Sort of. Alright, there we go. Oh, we got all 3 units running. That nice. There's an open door right there, though, but that doesn't stop me. Garrison. Yeah, it's Copeland scroll. These are reversing valves. 2000. I think that's from 2009, and that's a 2-ton. Bless me. So, all cold and sweaty. Here's a Goodman. Very powerful thing. Jeez. Open recip. 2001 2-ton CPLE. This is a nice part of the complex right here. And then a Janitrol or Goodman Dessert Series, if you will. Janitrol or Goodman Dessert Series, if you will. Bristol. Recip, or sorry, reversing valves. That's, that looks safe. Very safe, actually. 2001, or, I think that's actually from 2000, and that's a 2-ton CPKE. Goodman manufacturer. I think this is a Janitrol. Not sure. So yeah, here are all 3 of these running. That Goodman's extremely loud. This one's extremely loud. Very loud Goodman. Some Goodmans are super loud. And where did it go? He just hit that way. Something. Oh, something just turned on over there. Some of these Snyder Generals just turned on. Bigger Snyder Generals. Nah. Right there. Here we go. And let's get back to these 2. Right here. Little playground over there for the little kids. These are, I think these actually look like the 2023 models. Actually, that's nice. Brand new, it looks like. And actually, I'll edit this part out if these are actually like 2023, so, yeah. Alright, so here's this one. Running right here. 2009 2-ton. Off the range right there. Here's these ones. Oh. Forgot I was zoomed out the whole time, so. There we go. A few Snyder Generals. Get these ones. there. These ones aren't running, so just gonna skip those. But I'll get a picture of them because why not? And oh my god, those people are actually like coming down here. So here's this Goodman. All three of these are running. 2013 2-ton. Save that right there. And then all three of these are running. Is this one running right here? Skip that. It's actually a different unit. It's an ICP. 3 people there, so I can get to those ones. Take a picture, take a screenshot. Right here. 2019 1.5 ton. There. Oh, that did not sound normal. Jeez. Oh yeah. These are the last 3 units. Snyder General, Janitorial, and ICP, the final unit. Remember that when I filmed there running? And that right there is part 3, but actually I think I might get to this already. This is pre-part 3. So right here, here's this, what is this? This is like a Ohio ICP something. Has a Goodman scroll. Sorry, I just had to film this one. This is new. 2017 2-ton. It's cold. Yeah, it's very cold. I'm not gonna, this is the only one I'm filming here because there are others I'm gonna film. So yeah, here's this one running. Then we'll head back. I'm glad I filmed it then because it's not running now. 2017 2-ton. Goodman scroll. Rotors and fan motor. There it is. And there's all of them. It's everything from part 3. See ya. Back up and zoom out. There's part 3 for you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching.